We got an unboxing to do. Welcome back to the workshop. Today we have the TOOCAA L2 20-watt laser. This thing is awesome. I'm super excited to do this unboxing. TOOCAA reached out. They want an authentic first-time user review. And so in this one, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, put it together, give you my overall thoughts, feelings. Like right now, I'm a little overwhelmed, but it's amazing. I mean, this is huge. We're also going to be doing some testing. Like we're going to design some stuff. We're going to engrave onto some metal, some wood. We're going to do some cutting. Will it engrave on a 3D print? I don't know. Let's find out. So let's get into this. So this right here is the TOOCAA Air Assist set. So let's open this up and check this out. So looks like there's an Air Assist user guide. The main unit. This is not light. Awesome. And it looks like a power adapter. All right, let's get into this. So we open the Air Assist. That looks like it's gonna bolt to the back or to the main unit. Not exactly 100% sure yet, but that's what the instructions look like. Gotta have a good box cutter on you. Make sure you have a good box cutter. Be careful, cut away from yourself. They do not mess around with the tape. So we got some metal. It says 400 millimeter by 400 millimeter. What's this? So this is what we're gonna be engraving over, I do believe. So I don't know if that's a sample piece, that metal, but we're gonna find out. That looks like nothing. All right, box one done. Now this is packaged beautifully. So now everything is gonna have to be assembled. This does not come all in one, but what's really amazing from what I've seen from this laser is it has an entire like shell around it. So it's gonna be safe for your eyes, which I'm really excited about. And it looks like there's lights on the inside. Yeah, those are lights. This is awesome. TOOCAA, the fact that you're putting LED lights and going over and above for this is just amazing. So once you get all of the frame out, it looks like, and the casing, you're greeted with a user's guide and a consumable parts pack. So we'll dive into that and see what's all in there. Awesome. So I love when stuff comes with tools, especially when they're organized nice. So this is great. Get a nice little organizer with it, the tools, micro USB, memory card, everything's in here beautifully done. So I'm gonna get everything else out of this box. I'm gonna line it all up and I'll show you guys everything. All right, I got everything out of the box. Now it's just organizing it before we jump into the user's manual, getting all the plastic off. But I mean, just feeling the frame, I mean, this is heavy. This is not light at all. It is, I mean, without putting it together, using it, like, I feel quality. The diode laser itself is heavy. The air assist, heavy. I mean, everything's solid. I am really excited right now. I was not expecting, you know, such quality. I mean, these lasers are affordable, and I mean, they're just really nice. TOOCAA, you guys are, you know, you guys are making an awesome product, and I haven't even used it yet. Like, you can just tell. I wish I could explain it. I mean, LEDs in the frame. I mean, how can you beat that? There's also a spot for a camera. TOOCAA sells a camera so you can actually do time-lapse videos of what you're engraving or cutting. So I'm definitely gonna dive into that. I'm gonna have to order that because that thing is definitely gonna make life way easier. That is cool. I love the fact that it has safety built into it, because one of the most dangerous things from what I've read for lasers is looking at the diode itself. It can blind you, it could blind your pets, it could blind kids. You know, having a 6-year-old daughter, that is very important to me that that does not happen. Our eyes are obviously very important. All right, tons of plastic, tons of foam. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. They even included some extra glasses, so those are really cool. They kind of have that welder's mask green tone, so that's really awesome. That not only do you get a casing for protection of your eyes, they also include some glasses. So anytime my daughter's around, even though they have this, I'm going to make sure that she is wearing glasses. All right, what's in this box? So it looks like joints, all the nuts and screws. Their logo will be installing. Everything's beautifully organized, M4x8, M4x16, so that is awesome that it's all labeled. So, I mean, I already got a feeling that assembly is going to be pretty easy since they have everything really well organized. I don't know, like, you know, I feel like this is just more organized than 90% of the things that we buy. So didn't make it. All right, another power cord. So there's a bunch of power cords here, so we gotta figure out all that. All right, we got our fan. Got the feet. So it looks like the feet are adjustable. They could go up and down a little bit. They screw on, so we'll get to that. Our tools. don't know what that is, but if I was to guess, it's probably to vent out any gases or smoke that would be inside the chamber. All right, so we're more organized now. So let's dive into the user's guide. I mean, this is just beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, it walks you step by step, everything. I mean, even the instructions, I mean, beautifully done. Like, they put money into the instructions and organization. What's this? Consumable pack. TOOCAA, expert of safe and engraving. Okay. Okay, so they sent, looks like some dog tags, some metal, and some wood to practice on. Okay, cool. All right, so let's get this thing put together. All right, so step one is to get the feet on. So we're gonna put the feet on, but that is just solid. And I'm guessing you can just loosen these up if you need to level it. I don't even know if you have to level this thing. So then it says to flip it back over. All right, so it's kind of like a 3D printer. You have an X, Y, not so much a Z, but it says to open the trigger on the X axis assembly. And then we're gonna install our diode laser, which comes beautifully packaged. Sorry for the crinkliness. All right, just look at that. I think that's where the air assist goes into. Well, it looks like it just slides right on in. All right, and then that just locks down. Cool. All right, it says press the trigger for the laser mod. Okay, that's to tighten it. And then our plug goes into the top, which is a micro USB. And then it looks like we're gonna screw it down. So we're gonna get out that toolbox to kind of show you how, I mean, they made it really organized and reusable. Like, you can continue to use this little toolbox. That's what I just absolutely love. Nice little tools. I love the fact that once you connect the power cable to the laser, it screws down because, you know, you don't have to worry about it coming undone. All right, now it's time to build the frame. It looks like we're starting with the exhaust and the fan. Now they set this up pretty easy where this is the back plate and it's one, you line up one, and then you screw into it to lock this aluminum down onto the acrylic, the tinted acrylic. I almost messed it up though. All right, we got it unboxed. We got it all put together. There is still a lot that I need to learn when it comes to like safety and how to use the programs and how to do everything. So that's going to come within time. Haven't turned it on yet, but just overall the quality of the build of the laser, top notch. I mean, the entire unit is solid. There's no movement in it whatsoever, so I'm extremely impressed with how TOOCAA went about building this and constructing this. So we're definitely going to deep dive into how it works, the quality of the laser, and from cutting to engraving to everything. So I'll see you on the rest of this journey, and I'll catch you on the next one.